Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you've ever found yourself constantly glued to your screen, afraid of missing a key price move, then today's video is for you, okay? We're just going to be diving into MetaTrader for alerts and notifications, a powerful tool that lets you stay on top of the markets without staring at the charts all day. All right, so by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up alerts in MT4, receive notifications on your phone and email, and use alerts to improve your trading efficiency. So if you are ready to make your trading life easier, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials, okay? Now let's just quickly get started. First of all, let us talk about why MetaTrader 4 alerts and notifications are so important. First of all, it helps you to stay updated. With alerts, you don't need to sit in front of your screen all day because you're going to get notified when a key price level is hit. Secondly, it helps you to act quickly, all right? Instant notifications allow you to react to market movements as they happen. And thirdly, it helps you to monitor multiple pairs. Instead of switching between charts, you can just set alerts on different currency pairs and receive notifications when they reach key levels. And finally, it helps you to avoid missed opportunities. If you're waiting for a breakout or it helps to avoid missing opportunities. Sorry, if you are waiting for a breakout or key trend confirmation, alerts will notify you when it happens. So now let's just go step by step on how to set up these alerts in MetaTrader 4. Okay, setting up alerts in MT4 is quite simple. All right, so you just have to follow these steps. First of all, you have to open the terminal. Okay, open the terminal window. Right, when you go to view, you go to terminal, or you can just press Ctrl T to open the terminal at the bottom of the screen. Then you navigate to the alerts tab. You're going to see a tab for alerts down here. Just go to alerts. When you go to alerts tab, just right click inside the empty space. Okay, when you do that, you click on create to open the alert settings window. Okay, so now it's left for you to set your alert conditions. Okay, you under the action, you can choose between sound, file, email, or notification, right? Then for the symbol, you select what currency pair that you want, okay, the asset that you want to monitor. Then for the condition, you can choose price-based triggers. All right, you can choose price-based triggers like the bid, when the bid price is greater than a particular value, or when the ask is less than a particular value, or when the ask is greater than a particular value, or when the bid price is less than a particular value, and so on. So then for the value, you set what value. For example, if I want let's say this is Euro USD, okay? So let's say I want to get an alert when the bid price of Euro USD is less than 1.2030, for example. Then I can now click on bid less than value 1.2030. Okay, so this box is where you set the exact price level where the alert should be triggered. Okay, then source alert, you can just leave that an alert. Then the timeout second. Okay, then if you want to set an expiration date for the alert, you can do that. Then once you're done with all this, you can just click on OK. Right, click on OK. Okay, now once set, your alerts will appear in the alert tab. Once set, your alerts will appear in the alerts tab. You can see we are already getting okay, this is the Euro USD. This is the Euro USD chart. Right, this is the Euro USD chart. Basically, you will get notified when when the condition is met. Okay, when the condition for the alert is met. Now, What if you want to receive MetaTrader 4 alerts and notifications directly on your phone or email? Then you're going to have to set, this. Okay, you can if you want to receive it directly on, to your phone, or rather to your phone or to your email, then you have to click on, mail. If you want to get notifications sent to your mail, you have to, set that to your mail. Okay. Meanwhile, if you want to, apart from the aspect of getting notifications to your sent to your email, like through this place, right? If you also want direct notifications on your phone or email, you can enable push notifications on your phone. All right, then you open your MT4 on desktop, you go to tools, you go to options, you go to notifications, right? You go to notifications here, then you check the box for enable push notifications. Then once you have done that, okay, so once you have done that, you have to enter your MetaQuotes ID. All right, you have to enter your MetaQuotes ID, which is found in the MT4 mobile app under settings, messages. Okay, under settings and then messages. So once you have done that, you click on OK. All right, then you can also set up email alerts. You go to tools, you go to options, you go to email, then you enable email alerts. Okay, and enter your email details. You test the settings and you click on save. All right, or rather you click on OK. Okay, so now whenever an alert is triggered, you get an instant notification on your phone or email, allowing you to take action no matter where you are. All right, now that you know how to set up alerts, let's just talk about how to use them effectively in your trading. Okay, the first is price breakouts. Okay, you can actually set alerts at key resistance or support levels to catch breakouts. And then you can also use alerts for trend confirmation. You can use moving averages or trend line breaks to confirm trend direction, right? And then also volatility spikes. You can set alerts on high impact news events, to prepare for volatility. That can help you to prepare for volatility. And then indicator signals. You can get notified when indicators like RSI or MACD reach specific levels. Okay, so by strategically placing alerts, you can automate your trade monitoring and react only when it is necessary. All right, now before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes traders make with the MetaTrader 4 alerts and notifications and how to avoid them. The first is setting too many alerts. Okay, too many notifications can lead to alert fatigue, so keep it simple and focus on key levels. Another mistake is ignoring false signals. Make sure your alerts are based on strong technical levels, not random price fluctuations. Okay, and do not forget to enable push notifications. Always double check that your phone is properly linked to MT4. All right, another mistake is not testing email alerts. Before relying on email alerts, test them to ensure they are working correctly. Okay, by avoiding these mistakes, you can use alerts to enhance your trading strategy rather than overwhelm yourself with unnecessary noise. Okay, so that is a wrap up on understanding MetaTrader 4 alerts and notifications for better trading. Do you use MT4 alerts in your trading? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.